What's the meaning of birchwood? Birchwood. Birchwood.
Birchwood. Birchwood. Birchwood refers to the wood of any of several species of birch trees, which are medium-sized deciduous trees native to the northern hemisphere. Birchwood is light-colored and has a fine to medium grain, and is valued for its strength, durability, and attractive appearance. It is commonly used for furniture, paneling, flooring, and other decorative purposes. The color of birchwood can vary from creamy white to light brown, and it often features distinctive dark markings called bird's eye or curls. Birchwood is also used for firewood and in the production of paper, charcoal, and fuel. Overall, birchwood is a versatile and widely used material with many practical and aesthetic applications.